bersyukur nak Skhem jong unongsan Hima.
Kum gadak kajing yang menjurlang ban Pyrshah ya kajing temu jong ke sarkar pedeng ban pentrekam ya ke Uniform Civil Code ne ke UCC hapok ke jela ki Laitylli ke District Council ki Bekintop ya ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ke Jaintia Hills bat ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council henne ke sengi balang kila shong jingelang ban Pyrshah ya ke jing temu jong ke sarkar pedeng ban pentrekam ya ke UCC bat ya ke jingelang la penlong hapok ki HADC Chief Executive Member uba penyat sings aim ula ong bahag ke jingelang kila dan shibon tili ki jingya keren hapedeng kita ki Laitylli ki District Council ha ka bayadai bat ke jing temu ban pentrekam ya ke UCC hapok ke jela bat ha ke jingelang kila shimru ya artli ki rai bekinthum ya ke ban Pyrshah ya ke jing temu ban pentrekam ya ke UCC hapok ke jela bat ke baar kalong bakila shim ya ke rai ru ban pha da ke joint resolution ha ka ba ansoi da baro Laitylli ki council bat ansapha sha ke National Law Commission haswa ke khatsau trik unaitung arajar arpulai bat ansapha ru ya ke jo ke jing tho sha ke sarkar jela Hagani ke jingelang lawan banyak simpentar Chairman jangka High Power Committee ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council URK Sangma CEM ke JHADC ubat Thombor Shiwat bat ki EM ke KHADC
te hagani ka por na kaliang ini ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council minta kasengi ni smokemen ban pediang sumpah ia ki parlok jungi na ki Laitylli ki Autonomous District Council kata di ka Garo Hills bat kawe bat ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council hang ni pot Shillong ban penbet ya kani ka meeting ke Bakarpang ke meeting ke Badan Kam ya ka bangin keren halor ka jingtmu jong ka sarkar India ban pentrekam ya ka Uniform Civil Code hapo kari India ka ban ketahu wat ya ke jela Meghalaya de ha ka bede bat kani na kaliang jungi gila don shibon ki jinga keren shibun ke jinga sulok menta kasengi bat barok kini ki Laitylli ki council ke jing don lang jong ki webat ki MDC ki EM bat hakani ka meeting ngila shim Laitylli ki rai daga jing ya baik lang barok Laitylli ki council kawai ka rai kalong ban Pyrshah ya ka jing pentrekam ya ka UCC da barok ki council Laitylli ha ka jela Meghalaya ban Pyrshah ya ka jing pentrekam ya ka ni ka UCC kebaar pan kalong bangin sign ya ka kani ka resolution da baro ki Autonomous Council jong ka Meghalaya baro Laitylli bangin pha sha ka National Law Commission habide bat kita ki nongrim ki bangi Pyrshah habide ka UCC ban pentrekam hapo ka jela Meghalaya kita di ki jing kran ki jungi hakani ka meeting habide bat kani ka meeting ru ni lapan kre ekowi ka draft resolution ba kan ya piang lang jong na baro Laitylli ki council bat ya kata ngin pendap menta kasengi bat lasyai kasengi khalai terik ni unaitung ngin yo ban pha no ekani ka resolution jungi bangi Pyrshah ban pentrekam ki UCC po Meghalaya ngin pha no lasyai kasengi syaka National Law Commission nomor ba ka tarik berkibu kadai khatsau tengi kwa hishwai ka khatsau tarik ngin yo pendap no ekani
any suggestions or any recommendations from the district council, or you will just write by your own?
Actually, as such communication we have not received yet. But since the law commission has given this appeal in public domain, so we feel that as responsible citizen of the state and as responsible Autonomous District Council of the state, we should go ahead and inform them that we oppose such implementation, such intention to implement the Uniform Civil Code in India, which will affect our state of Meghalaya as well. So I think with this meeting that we are having today, we had a unanimous decision that we took. Will forward the joint petition of all the three CM District Council. We strongly oppose the implementation of UCC in the state of Meghalaya. So I think this is a very clear message to them that from a state of Meghalaya, we don't want UCC to be in place or to come into force in our state of Meghalaya.
Only to protest against the UCC, or will you be giving?
Yeah, we will give some
suggestions?
points on what ground do we have to oppose, because as we have already shared with you in the last week, we had meeting with different stakeholders like the Himas, the Khasi state, and also the NGOs in Shillong. We feel that implementation of UCC will dilute our rich culture, tradition and custom, and also our practices that we are having, and also like provision that are given under the 6th schedule to protect and safeguard our rich culture tradition. So in fact it will affect our inheritance system, our marriage system, and many, the land and the forest and everything. So we thought that this is the right platform that we could come together as the 3 district council to oppose on behalf of the state of Meghalaya.
The resolution kelak ban matai kenyak keluarkan kejeng Pyrshah dengan UCC.
Em kejeng Pyrshah hi terkadai rejisya kat kumbala pensengau dari ba penyanyi ta kadai kejuk hi kasi berjalan tia kam dia perhatian kejuk hi kedustur kejuk hi ka jinglong kejingman jong ni te ka custom kejuk hi te more or less kalong kejuk te ngiru ya kejeng Pyrshah jong kani habangi Pyrshah ya ka kumbong ba penyanyi tan ba ngimtip yo la si wat pedang kani kejeng Pyrshah jong niru ka state ka government of India ni ka national commission kelak ban le halor kini kejeng Pyrshah ke jong ni marngi la mention hake resolution jong ni kejang dia la ka jong resolution ki garo la ka jong ki kasing dan la ka jong resolution tingla kedo paling lap ni yang to ba kini kijing ke jong ni bat kijing dan kam jong ni ban ledakan le ro subuh ledakan le yo ngila ban je exception ke di ngatrai tangitai poin namar ngimdei ban super syabit halum be to klem yu ke ngidon kita ki bol jong ki beliau jong ni le ni jong ki disakau sul jong ni ki bala prevent yang ni hapo ka ki kendon jong ka secedek tengi don ke jeng kelmen kutai la da ngimpen iya ke ni tengi tai mo kala ban dia ayu re tajak ben le ni kumba yang menit da ke jeng stu tu lang barok lai kli kini ki disakau sul ni ni san hakajuk ka jing san lang angin pha lang tai kum kata kedak ke jeng mon jolang wala dangi pha la ka jong ka resolution haka ida student kam bantan kewe ka resolution da ka bangin ya sanya dah
All the media houses, I welcome you and thank you for giving us this chance and opportunity to show our opposition, a strong opposing this bill which is going to be passed. So we strongly, the reason why we are here today is because it was the initiative taken, and I strongly thank and the initiative taken by the CEM and other members of the Khasi Autonomous District Council. Like you said that yes, we had a couple of series of meeting with all stakeholders of the society in Garhwal's Autonomous District Council. We had meetings with NOCMAS, we had meetings with all the NGOs, and we had also had a meeting with all the stakeholders, senior citizens likewise. Yes, of course, we have taken a resolution, would be taken as in it has been taken, but then it has not been drafted yet. So it is in the process of getting drafted. Hopefully by evening it should be in our hands so that we can have a joint resolution like our CM from KHDC had said that we will draft a resolution jointly so that it is in the process. So it will most probably by before 14th, then we will be able to give a resolution before 14th to the law commission, National Law Commission. So it will be in that process we will move forward. And I strongly oppose on behalf of the GHDC, the central government which is trying to implement this UCC, we strongly oppose, and today why we are here today is that we could have given a resolution all by ourselves as well as all the three ADCs, but we thought in a different way that I think if we stand together, our case would be much stronger and people will hear our voice.